If you're here, it's because you're ready to add a touch of elegance, sophistication, and effortless style to your wardrobe. Whether you're looking to refresh your everyday look or elevate your style for special occasions, I've got some fabulous tips tailored just for women over 40. Today, we'll dive into mastering layering, using rich colors like burgundy to bring warmth, and incorporating softer whites for that refined look. Let's get started. Mastering the art of layering with blazers and outerwear. Layering is a powerful way to add depth, sophistication, and functionality to your outfits, especially as the seasons get cooler. Well-chosen layers bring structure and elegance while allowing you to adjust for warmth and comfort throughout the day. Blazers and structured coats are the stars of layering, providing both style and versatility. How to layer like a pro. Start with a base layer. Begin with a fitted, lightweight piece like a classic tee, turtleneck, or blouse. This foundational layer should be breathable and comfortable, setting the tone for a polished look. Add a mid-layer for texture. A knit sweater or cardigan is perfect as a middle layer, adding warmth and visual interest without bulk. Look for lightweight knits or merino wool to keep things sleek. Top it off with structure. Complete the outfit with a tailored blazer or long coat. A structured blazer instantly elevates the look, making it more refined, while a long coat adds an extra layer of elegance and drama. Mix up your lengths and textures for an effortlessly chic look. A slightly longer cardigan under a tailored blazer or a cropped jacket over a long blouse creates a modern silhouette that feels stylish and unique. Prioritize fit. Tailored for elegance. First things first, fit is everything. A well-fitted outfit doesn't just look better, it feels better too, allowing you to move with confidence. Now, more than ever, tailoring is key. Tailored blazers, structured blouses, and well-cut trousers are wardrobe musts because they create clean lines, flatter your shape, and instantly elevate your look. It's worth taking the time to try on various cuts until you find what truly flatters your body. For example, a slightly cinched blazer can emphasize your waist without feeling restrictive, while high-rise, straight-leg trousers create a beautiful silhouette and elongate the legs. When in doubt, don't be afraid to invest in a good tailor to get that perfect fit. Quick tip: if you're drawn to a looser style, balance it out. A relaxed fit blouse pairs well with fitted trousers, while an oversized blazer looks amazing with a tucked-in tee and straight-leg jeans. Embrace warmth with burgundy. Burgundy is the ultimate color for adding richness and sophistication to your wardrobe. This deep, warm shade is perfect for creating a look that's refined without being overly bold. Burgundy flatters a wide range of skin tones and pairs beautifully with other neutrals, making it an easy way to add both depth and character to any outfit. There are different ways to wear burgundy. As a statement piece, a burgundy blazer, coat, or dress can be the hero piece of your outfit. Pair it with classic neutrals like beige, black, or gray to keep it balanced and sophisticated. A burgundy coat, for example, brings warmth to even the simplest outfit. As an accent color, if you prefer a subtler touch, use burgundy as an accent in your accessories. A burgundy scarf, handbag, or pair of shoes can add that perfect pop of color without overwhelming the look. These small touches bring warmth and richness, instantly elevating your outfit. Burgundy pairs beautifully with earthy neutrals like camel, gray, and blush pink. This color combo feels grounded and timeless, creating a harmonious look that's perfect for fall and winter. Luxurious knits, cozy meets chic. As cooler months roll in, cozy knits become the ultimate style staple. This season, consider adding a high-quality wool or cashmere sweater to your wardrobe. These fabrics bring a refined touch without sacrificing comfort and warmth. Opt for neutral shades like cream, camel, or charcoal, which are easy to style and always look chic. This year, classic cable knit sweaters and soft turtlenecks are making a strong appearance, blending that cozy feel with a timeless elegance. Here is a great styling idea. Pair a chunky knit sweater with slim-fit jeans or high-waisted trousers. This look is effortlessly sophisticated and versatile, perfect for casual outings or relaxed evenings. Earthy neutrals, the foundation of timeless style. When it comes to color, earthy neutrals are the perfect palette for a sophisticated look. Think rich shades of camel, warm beige, soft taupe, and olive. These tones add warmth to your outfit and are easy to style in various combinations, creating a cohesive and polished wardrobe. Earth tones not only bring a sense of calm and balance, but they also flatter most skin tones, adding a subtle glow. They work beautifully in layers, allowing you to create a depth that's both visually interesting and effortlessly refined. Try a tonal look by layering different earthy neutrals. Pair a camel coat over a beige turtleneck and beige trousers for a modern, monochromatic look that feels chic and grounded. Softer whites for a refined look. White is timeless, but for a truly refined look, softer shades like cream, ivory, and off-white can make all the difference. These shades bring a warmth and subtle glow that complements mature skin tones, adding a touch of understated elegance. Softer whites avoid the stark contrast of bright whites, creating a look that's naturally radiant. Why choose softer whites? Softer whites are gentler on the eyes and give a warm, polished effect. They flatter a variety of skin tones, creating a glow that makes your outfit feel luxurious without feeling stark or washed out. Incorporating softer whites, tops and sweaters. A cream blouse or ivory sweater is versatile and perfect for layering. Pair it with a blazer or cardigan for a polished, sophisticated look that's suitable for any occasion. Outerwear. An off-white coat or trench is a fantastic statement piece, adding brightness to your look without being too bold. It's elegant, easy to style, and works beautifully with other neutrals and soft colors. Accessories. Don't overlook softer whites in your accessories. A cream-colored scarf, handbag, or pair of shoes can add a refined touch without competing with bolder colors. For a cohesive look, try a monochrome or tonal outfit with layers of white, cream, and beige. This combination feels both luxurious and effortless, making it a go-to for chic, minimalist style. Invest in quality basics. Elevate your look. Building a wardrobe of high-quality basics is one of the best investments you can make. Items like a crisp button-down shirt, a well-cut pair of trousers, a classic trench coat, and a versatile knit dress are essentials that form the core of a sophisticated wardrobe. Choose quality fabrics such as cotton, silk, and wool, which not only look luxurious, but also stand the test of time. These pieces serve as a blank canvas that you can style in various ways, making it easy to look polished without a lot of effort. Make your accessories count. Accessories can instantly elevate any outfit, allowing you to express your personal style. Go for accessories that add just the right amount of interest without feeling overpowering. A structured leather tote, a pair of oversized sunglasses, or a minimalist watch can all add sophistication to your look. This season, textures like woven leather and brushed metals are popular, adding a refined touch to accessories without overwhelming your outfit. A quality belt, scarf, or simple gold jewelry can pull an entire look together, making even simple outfits feel luxurious. Keep your accessories minimal and balanced. If you're wearing a bold bag or statement necklace, keep the rest of your outfit simple to let the accessory shine. Confidence is the key to style. Remember, the best outfit you can wear is confidence. Style isn't just about what you wear, but how you feel in it. Embrace your unique tastes and enjoy experimenting with different looks that resonate with you. Let your wardrobe reflect your personality, and wear each outfit with pride. Think of each outfit as an opportunity to showcase your personality and feel empowered. Style is a reflection of who you are, so choose pieces that make you feel fabulous every time you step out. Thank you for tuning in. I hope these tips have inspired you to embrace your unique style and try new looks that feel fresh and elegant. Building a sophisticated wardrobe doesn't have to be complicated. Focus on quality, fit, and pieces that truly resonate with you. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more style inspiration. Keep rocking your confidence and embracing your style. See you next time.